Ang pusa, wala sa first blood. Nandito
Let's talk a bit about the so-called People Power protest by the DDS last night, which turned out to be nothing but meow power. Alam naman nating lahat na ang nag-organize daw ng protest na yan ay si Congress Meow ng ETIVAC, si Kiko Barzaga, na kasalukuyang humaharap sa isang ethics complaint sa Kongreso.
Hello, kumusta? Well, sorry sa taking overtime nyo, but we also have to show the people's anger towards corruption, okay? No problem. Have a great night. Alam ko hindi pa kayo papauwi ng mga tao doon, ng mga superiors, but I wish you all the best and I wish you all have a good night tonight.
Baka lang kasi sabihin ng mga kulto ni Digongyo na ini-ignore natin ang kanilang existence. Well, they're still part of Filipino society. Kahit na ang tanging pinaglilingkuran lang nila ay isang pamilya sa Davao at syempre ang kanilang motherland, China.
Nang magsimulang mag-ingay muli ang mga nagprotesta, nagbarikada muli ang PNP. Namuo ang tensyon sa pagitan ng mga rallyista at mga pulis.
Hindi namin kayo sasaktan! Huwag kayong manulang!
Ayon sa PNP, humigit kumulang 200 pulis ang nakadeploy sa magdamagang protesta ng nasa 200 rallyista.
Now, what can we say? We honestly had fun watching their flop people power. To be fair and blunt, iyon na siguro ang pinaka-flop, pinaka-nilangaw na people power protest. Hindi lang sa Pinas kundi sa buong mundo. Around 200 na DDS hakot protesters daw ang lumusob sa gate ng Forbes Park, the supposed target or venue of the protest. Pero mas marami pa yata ang pulis kaysa sa mga demonstrador. O baka mas marami pa yung mga usisero na nadamay lang sa head count ng mga protesters. Pero syempre, para sa mga DDS, panalo pa rin sila tulad ni Mima Harry Roque na todo hype pa rin kay Barzaga at tinawag pa siyang the hottest rock star in the Philippines.
So ang inaasahan natin talagang hindi siya magpapalamon sa sistema at mananatili yung kanyang tinatawag nating idealismo, yung idealismo na talagang gawin ang tama sa lipunan.
Grabe Mima Harry, may puppy love or infatuation ka na ba sa isang pusang gala o baka gutom ka na naman sa humba at lechon? Remember, hindi daw pumapatol si Kiko sa trans o sa member of the LGBTQ++ community. Sorry na lang.
If I'm being perfectly honest, majority of those messaging me are from the LGBT community, which I welcome, but I have to always explain to them that I'm straight and I don't participate in that. May time dati na naipag-date ako tapos hindi ko pala alam na transgender. But that's okay.
Samantala, kay Kiko, the crazy stray cat ng ETIVAC, bida ka talaga sa sarili mong pelikula. Pero eto lang ang masasabi naming mga spectators. Yes, we had fun watching your flopped people power, attended by a few dozen hakot gang. But don't you worry, we'll make the corrupt pay, but definitely not on your terms and not on your call.
My legal team has stated that for me.
So you were not able to speak during the hearing, sir?
I wasn't there. I couldn't have spoken.
But why were you late, sir? Why were you late?
We were very busy last night.
About, sorry.
I was just playing games on my computer.
As for you, Kiko, mukhang may mas malaki kang problema na kakaharapin sa mga susunod na araw.
I'm still in the ethics committee. We filed this complaint because we want standards of behavior to be established in Congress, no? Like, okay ba maglagay sa website namin ng mga malalaswang litrato? Okay ba insultuhin namin yung kababaihan? Okay ba sabihin namin sa mga kabataan na mag-congressman na kayo para yumaman kayo? Tama ba yun? So if this is something that is acceptable behavior for a congressman, I want the ethics committee to rule on it, no? Because ako tingin ko that is definitely should be prohibited, di ba? Should be prohibited.
Sir Kong Barzaga in an interview earlier said, first, he's not open to reconciliation also, and second, he believes he did not do anything wrong. Your reaction po?
Well, we should remind him about the standards of human behavior, no? He does not believe he did anything wrong because obviously his standards are much lower than the average person.